Okay, we're on Prep Test 63, game number 4, question number 18. If there are two white balls, exactly two white balls, which box could hold a green ball? So we've got our rules and inferences up on the screen, and I've also posted a couple of different arrangements for the 6 balls in the boxes. So if there's exactly two white balls, it's worth taking a moment to figure out how many of the other color there are. So 2 white, we know that there have to be more red than white, and we know there has to be at least 1 green. Therefore, the only possible combination is to have 2 white, 3 red, and 1 green ball. So, in addition to all of this, we know that there has to be at least one place where there's a white and a green ball, one after the other, and that will be the only green ball we have in our boxes. So let's talk about where these balls could go. First off, we could have a white ball right in the beginning, followed by a green ball. And if that's the case, all we know is that these last 4 are shared among a white and 3 reds. We don't know which order they go in. We've already satisfied this rule, so we're safe. The other possibility is that we could have both of our white balls in the front and then a green, in which case we know that these are our 3 reds. And I really should just write them right in like that. Sorry. I can get rid of these too. There we go. So we've got white, white, green, red, red, red. Now what if there isn't a white ball in the front? What if we put a green ball in the front? Well, right off the bat, we know we can't do that because there's only 1 green and it has to come after the white ball. So what if we tried a red in the front? Well, we can't do that either because this second rule up here tells us that the first green ball has to come before the first red ball. Therefore, we've now discovered that these are the only 2 possible arrangements for having exactly 2 white balls. So let's look at the question. Which box could hold a green ball? Could box 1? Nope. Could box 3? Yes, that looks good. Can box 4? Nope. 5? Nope. 6? Nope. Our answer is B.